Hello everyone, have you ever put something from your documents, from your files option on your status? Well, I will tell you how do you do that. In case your gallery does not have any photo that you want, but the files document option has, then let me show you how do we do that. Tap on the status. We have to put status right now, and here is an option of on the right lower corner document in the white color. And now see, these are the photos and videos that I have in the documents, the downloaded ones, and also drive option is also here. When you tap on the three parallel lines on top left corner, and I'm selecting it. Every phone has different way of showing it, so try it yourself after watching this video, and you see I'm getting all the options in my phone, the various folders I have, and the drive options I have of my Gmail IDs, and I can select anything I want, right? And that will be directed towards the status, right? I'm going to show you and select one photo right away, and that is of this random picture. And now I can add music, I can write text, and anything which we do usually in our status. And I'll tap on send, and that is how we take any picture or video from the documents option. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Ta-da!